Okay, we're now going to do a hotel tour of the Holiday Inn Sunland Park Mall here in El Paso. You obviously gotta walk up to the hotel. We're gonna walk up right now. It's this road. There's the sign again. And there's Studio Plus where we were just at. Oh, and there's a lot of tar on these roads as well. But you know, this is El Paso. They don't really take care of their roads here as they do in other cities. And there's a welcome sign to the Holiday Inn. Welcome, Bienvenidos. And there are the mountains, and we're now walking up the road to the hotel. Here we are. This is a pretty big hotel, actually. There's the front lobby. Let's go inside and take a look inside it. I have slept in this hotel once when I first moved here about 10 years ago. We didn't have a house, so a long time ago I have slept here when we first moved to El Paso. Beautiful fountain. I like that fountain right there. There's some service docks as well over there. Now we're gonna go inside. Also a shuttle that takes you to the mall from here. Here we are at the lobby. We are going to go inside and take a look. Here we are. There's a hotel shuttle. Takes you to the mall. Romantic sliding door. This is a hotel lobby. There's a little restaurant over here. Here's the front desk. Now we're going to go ride the elevators. There's the bathrooms. We're now going to go ride the elevators out here. There are the elevators. Let's go take a ride on them. And it's an Otis. There's a little indicator right there. It's an Otis elevator. Oh, let's go in here. 2 floors. This is the elevator at the Holiday Inn Sunland Park Mall here in El Paso. Well, Sunland Park, not inside the mall, but around it has red buttons. For short. Door cab, you see Otis plate. Pretty nice elevator, actually. There go the doors. There are the lighting fixtures. Ooh, this is a death trap. This is a bumpy elevator. Whoa. Yeah, this is a pretty bumpy elevator. Could be considered a death trap. It is pretty fast. We're gonna get off here. They have automatic sensors, they don't have bumpers. And there go the doors. Pretty nice elevator. We're gonna do a tour on the 2nd floor. That's right. It's just a regular outdoor hotel. Nothing really special. And there's the Sarco factory, soon to be demolished by next year, is what they're saying. You can see it out there in the distance. There's the power plant. There's Mount Cristo Rey. It's an outdoor hotel. Nothing really special. Just some regular hotel. There's a nice courtyard over there. But however, the elevator we just rode is the only elevator in the hotel. There's the courtyard. I remember where I stayed here when we first moved here was like in building 6, I believe. Which I don't know where that is, but that's where we did stay when I first moved here. In this very hotel. It's a big hotel actually, and they even have old alarms here. Because it is also an old hotel. They have bar-a-day alarms. It's pretty big. I don't know if we're going to tour the whole thing. This is a huge hotel. Another old alarm right there. Pretty neat, huh? And there's no other elevators, I believe. And there's the courtyard again. There's I-10 East, there's I-10 right there. Building 6, here we are. We're now going, now the hotel tour is almost, they even have newer fire alarms in this area of the hotel. We're gonna go back around, we're gonna go back and ride the elevator down, and that's gonna conclude our hotel tour. Nothing much really. There's Sunland Park, there's Sears right there, there's Dillard's, there's Macy's, that's the mall. There's all of El Paso, pretty nice, huh? We're gonna go and probably conclude the hotel tour with one more ride on the elevator. And that's gonna be about it. There's the courtyard. Like I said, this is nothing really special. I mean, there are much nicer hotels than this one, I can tell you that. Another old fire alarm, but it looks like the bell in my school, more or less. Looks like the bell in my school. Except the one in my school is simplex. I already have a video of it ringing anyway. Or if I can find where the elevator is. This is just a big facility. I think it was over here around building 2. Should be over here. Elevator, there's a sign for it. Oh, and there's a pool. Here's the pool. This is actually open, as you can see. It's a pretty big pool. So it's pretty nice. I want to go ride the elevator. Do one more ride on this and that will conclude our hotel tour. You can see this is going to be a death trap elevator because there's a big bump I'm going down. So listen for the bump. No, listen for the bump. Why'd you hear that? See, trap. Whoa. Okay, we're gonna end the tour here. There go the doors. And that's about it, basically.